Really good drink. Really cool bottle. Hate opening it. I can't.
Let's read the other warnings. Do not try to remove the marble from the bottle.
Oh.
You would probably do that. Wait, you need to know the rest of them. Do not place the cap opener in your mouth.
I didn't do that.
Do not store this product in temperature or freezer. Do not drink if seal is broken. Do not drink if marble or bottle is damaged. So the most important one is that Sarah is an adult. She's supposed to be supervising children to open this, but she can't even open it herself.
Listen. Nita didn't tell me that I can't put it in diagonally.
I told, okay, we can go back to the video for proof. I told her to put it in straight. She can only blame it on herself.
But this is the coolest thing ever. But I didn't even get to drink most of it because all that was left was like that much.
It was so funny.
And everybody in Penn Station was like, what the frick?
Because she screamed and I screamed too because I got kind of scared.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got a little scared.